Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and as you can see that DXY is going down. My dear friend, if you are looking for a detailed analysis of Euro USD, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. The link will be in the description because it was a long video, so I do not want to repeat the same things again and again and bore you. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about DXY. So when the market closed, DXY was somewhere around 103.90. It was standing at a temporary support here. And as you can see, the selling is still continuing in the market. As we have already discussed in our previous videos that 103.50 is the last support for DXY. After that, we do not have any immediate support on the chart of US dollar currency index. If we switch to the higher time frame, then we can see that if market breaks this particular level here, then there may be a big fall on the chart of DXY and the next support will be around 101.20. So things will be very critical for DXY. So DXY's 103.50 will be very important for us. If DXY reverses, it well and good. If DXY breaks this level here, then there may be a heavy rise, heavy recovery, good amount of recovery on the chart of gold, GBP USD, Euro USD and others. So please observe DXY. Today's your main focus should be on DXY. Now let's head towards Euro USD. So my dear friend, if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you are in a profit right now because we talked about buy position, a quite a little bit risky buy position above this level here. And as you can see, DXY is going down and Euro USD is also going up. But if you observe the market carefully, then you can see that here we do not see much volatility or volume in the market. And as we all know it very well, that usually we do not witness good amount of volatility or volume in the first half of Monday. So please be careful. If you're holding a buy position, you can be on the trade, but you need to be careful because you may see price rejection around this area. And if you want to exit after 20-25 pips, you can exit as well. In a previous video, we talked about the possible target of 1.0700. Okay, but if DXY bounces from 103.50, then market may or Euro USD may reverse also. But the big resistance is still the same 1.0709 to 1.0735. This is the big resistance on the chart of Euro USD. If Euro USD really wants to continue the uptrend, it will have to break this level. Swing traders, if you're looking for a big entry, good position in the market, then please wait for the market to break this level, then only go for a buy position. On the other hand, if you see DXY reversing or bouncing from 103.50, you can also consider taking a sell position on the chart of Euro USD as well. But do not forget to follow risk management. Okay, because sellers are dominating the chart of DXY. Maybe you will see a green candle, but the next after next not after next okay, after a few minutes you may see a red candle on the chart of DXY because after all we must understand that sellers are dominating. So not much to discuss on the chart of Euro USD right now. If DXY breaks 103.50 and starts falling, you can consider taking a buy position above 1.0709 or 1.0735 level. If market reverses and if you also see at the same time that DXY is bouncing, you can consider taking a sell position as well. And if you are holding a buy position right now, be on the trade, no need to exit as long as market is going up. But it is Monday, so be careful because for a proper movement we need volume, we need volatility. And if you look at the forexfactory.com also, then we do not have any market driving news today, so technicals should dominate the market. Let's wait and watch. Then hopefully you got my point. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So please follow proper risk management. And my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.